Hi guys, welcome back to this week's episode. As you saw in the intro, back to our regularly scheduled staple of Hot Wheels. I didn't need a second invitation to open up this package that's been bugging me for a couple of weeks now, and I'll do a quick rundown of what was inside. And the reason I mentioned last week that I wasn't going to open the package and it had to extend to another week is because one of these cars is actually a Christmas gift for one of my friends. I know he watched the channel, so I knew that if he saw it, he was gonna put one and one together. So that's why this video will be coming out after Christmas, and it should have already found a new home. Two of the cars I actually I found on the pegs last week, so I just added them because they're from the same series, and they just go very well together. So let's have a quick look at. I've just taken the individual cars out of the box, but they're still in their bubble wrap. So this is probably the best one of the lot. So instead of leaving that for last, we'll do this one first. I'm actually seeing these for the first time as well, so I'm taking them out of the packages for the first time. This is the Fast and Furious. It's a fairly new wave of Fast and Furious premiums, the Toyota Supra, but obviously done in the what normally is Brian's Nissan Skyline GTR livery. You'll remember, people that do collect the Fast and Furious sets, 1 or 2 waves ago they had his Skyline, but with that orange Supra livery from the movie. So I know they have been dabbling with ways to make it a bit more interesting, to not have the same cars with the same deco. The movies only have so many cars, and they've done most of them by this time, I think. So some of these cars are a bit of a stretch. You have to watch the movies on slow-mo to actually see these cars featured in the films. But I thought this was the GTR with the Super livery, and then this one the other way around. I think not too bad. That's one way to keep it interesting. Okay, and following on from last week's video, there's just one more addition to the Matchbox superchase family, but it's not a unique one. It's not a new one. It's one that I've already had, and I don't want to damage the card. And it's just another one of the Pontiac Grand Prix, the 1964 Pontiac Grand Prix. This one, the card on this one is a little bit better, and the blister a little bit cleaner than the one that I have. So now I've got a second one. So I can either, at this stage, I'm either looking to trade, or I might actually open up the one with the worst card of the two. I might actually open it up if I'm looking to display some of these super chases. Okay, and then the next 3 cars are from this year's pop culture set, and I must say that when I saw the first pictures of these, I thought this was an amazing set. There wasn't a weak one in the whole series, and actually this one is the Toyota's the Skyline van, from the don't actually know what they're calling this, the pop culture series. I don't know if it's just the garage series. It's obviously all sorts of automotive brands that they're partnering with, and then the other two, just 2 of the Volvo Amazon estates with the K&N livery. I thought these were exceptional. I thought these were going to be sort of the peg warmers of the set. Turns out that the Moon Eyes delivery, the dairy delivery, is the one that's being left behind here. here where we are. And this one, I mean, you don't. The pictures didn't do it justice when you have them in hand, and you see that it's actually sort of a two-tone. There's a the bottom half of the car, the deco is sort of on a flat grey, and then the top half is sort of almost like a gunmetal grey. So it has sort of a very fine metallic flake to it. I'm not sure if that'll show up on the camera really. In the light, you might see it. I'll post some pictures as well. But yeah, that's those are the cars that came out of the package. And yeah, quite a few interesting ones. Some trade bait. Hopefully, one of these, like I said, going to a friend for Christmas. Should already be under the tree. And yep, I'm recording this before Christmas, obviously. To all the subscribers and all of the viewers out there, I hope you have a blessed festive season. Yeah, we'll continue this into the new year, and yeah, hopefully lots more videos to come. All right, keep well. See you around. Bye.